When thought comes in contact with soul, the third
Right.
thing produces, and that is light.
Yeah.
So it is not the, it is the a sort of material light,
Mm.
a sort of material light it is,
Yeah. Uh-huh.
and
Yeah.
not of much use. I have
No.
told you that when I was on the cot going to bed,
Yeah.
I found so many times the light was coming to me. I
Yeah.
negativated it.
Yeah. Because it
I
has
feel
some.
I feel it disturbed. So light is not our goal. We proceed from light to grey,
Yeah.
from darkness to light. All systems are set, darkness to light. And I say from light to grey, and grey is the real color. I've said dawn color. I am telling you that is a dawn color.
Yeah. I wonder if you could remove your glasses because so much light is coming. I cannot see your
All
eyes.
right,
Thank
all
you.
right, all right. So this thing, light is not a very valuable thing, but it is something better.
Yeah.
It is something better.
Yeah.
It shows that now you have come in contact with the soul.
Yeah.
Soul connection has been formed. That only shows.
Yeah.
Afterwards, grey color.
Yeah.
We say God light and light, but it is all the material exposition.
Yeah.
Because there is no other words, I find no other words,
No.
the better word.
No.
And I searched and searched that if you may have Danish in German or in any language I may get, I may adopt it, explaining it in this way, but I am not getting it. So I used light without luminosity
Yeah.
in this way.
That's also good.
So here I am telling you, light the people see, but afterwards, after certain bit, grey color.
Yeah.
And grey color contains darkness and light mixed.
Yeah.
And there is one Nasdiya Sutra also says in Rig Vedas, there is neither light nor darkness. The sun never shines there,
Mm.
are the ultimate object.
Yeah. Mm.
So this is the correct version. Of course, the spirituality has been shown in a different style. That is tinged with matter.
Yeah.
All what we say tinged with matter, not quite naked as it is.
No.
And of course, everybody says according to his reach and advancement.
Yeah.
But if the man of the highest approach says something, that means whatever he says is quite correct.
Yeah.
So it requires a good deal of labor and must be a master like that, give you training in that line. Then you can feel it. This Anand, I am telling you, the Anand, the peace, I mean bliss.
Please.
For bliss I am telling you.
Yeah, that I like very much. What
Well,
you
I am
said
telling you,
about.
I am talking about my own experience.
Yeah.
Of course, I was feeling very highly blissful.
Yeah.
And what was the effect? I wanted to break my head with the wall. In happiness,
Yeah.
in blissful state. Go to Denmark
Yeah.
on aeroplane from Bombay.
Yeah.
Now the route is fixed.
Yeah.
Everybody passes. Some see very good scene. This is a very good scene. Some enjoy it. Others do not even like to peep into it. How it is going on.
Well,
So where
that's
there is a stress and emphasis
Yeah.
on the will and the mind, then you see the things as they are.
Yeah.
And by the way, if you see, they have no value. So they see by the way, not going deep into it.
Yeah. It's a shame not everybody can be sensitive. It's a shame that not everybody can be sensitive for these things. Perhaps they have it too early or something.
Too early, of course, but this is a very difficult point.
Yeah.
Very higher point, it is of course not very high, but at least high. So you bliss and anand, the people say, but they cannot bear if it is actually there.